Hey guys, welcome to digit.in, and today we are unboxing the Mi Home Security Camera 360 degree. So this is the new home security camera from Xiaomi, which it's capable of recording videos in 1080p, as you can see, it says that right on the cover. Also, yes, you can record videos with infrared night vision. So if it's dark in your home and the lights are off, the camera can still detect motion and can record videos. So let's quickly see what we get in the box. As you can see, we've already removed the tapes from here because yes, we were excited to see the camera. Right on the top you have a box which contains the charger and the wall unit. So the camera can either be placed standing on a flat surface, or it can be placed on top of a wall. It can be mounted on top of a wall. So here is the charger, and you get a standard micro USB charger and an adapter. And then you get the manual for the setup and all of those things. The setup is pretty basic and very easy. All you need to do is download the Mi Home app and follow the instructions. And there we go. So the entire box lifts up when you get the camera out. This is quite good packaging, I must say. And this is the new Xiaomi Mi Home Security Camera. It can record videos in 360, so the head that you see over here can move completely 360 degree. It's recommended that you don't move the head with your own hand so that the camera doesn't go bad. So if you are setting it up and you want a certain position, you need to do that through the app. Behind the camera you see a port for the micro USB. There's a reset button for when you're setting up. If there's any issues, there is a reset button for that. So that was a quick unboxing of the Mi Home Security Camera. We hope you liked the video. Goodbye.